This is a Teflon plate which is very similar to ice on the street. And now here we have our two compounds that we have just mixed and cured. So there is one winter compound and one summer compound. So you will see the difference between both on this ice plate. So to make it a little bit difficult, we put some more weights on it.
1 kilogram.
1 kilogram. And then we are going to solivate this and let's go to see what happens. So that's your summer tire now on ice. And now we will continue to see the winter tire. And to show you that that was not a trick, we will just exchange both.
Okay.
Summer tire again, and the winter tire.